Okay, folks, guess what time it is? Howl-O-Scream time. It opens tomorrow, September 8th. Today is September 7th. We get the perks because our oldest works here of coming in and checking it out a day early. So there's the line. We're going to go in, see what they got going on. I'll show you a couple of the haunted mazes. I won't show you the whole thing, give you glimpses of it. But the Howl-O-Scream is ready to roll. Let's get a little preview of what's going to happen when you show up. Okay, folks, there's a few of the little characters that'll be ripping around. Look at that guy. Woo! Spooky. Easy, easy, easy.
I don't know if I'll show up on film, but you know, it's possible. Oh, okay, all right. That's another one of those hashtag things, isn't it? Oh, awesome. Oh, hello. How are you?
This must be the... now over here is going to be where the Death Water Bayou is going to be. If I don't move, she won't see me. Or maybe she did. But over here, by Apollo's Chariot, Pantheon, there's going to be Death Water Bayou, but tonight it's not open. So here's the sad thing, folks. They said only which of the woods is open, so we're only have to show you one. So we'll be coming back to show you more, but anyway. All right, folks. So yeah, like I said, only which of the woods is open. So we'll head over there, check that out. So last year they had for the preview they had like I think they had like most of them open. So I don't know why it's only in 3 of them or 1 this time. And a couple rides are open, but I'm being blinded by the sun. But anyway, at least they got characters out, and a few rides are going, but characters are out. Look at this guy! Look at this guy coming up. Look at that creepy guy.
How about you give me your soul in exchange for whatever you want? What is
I
your
don't
little
have
heart
one.
desire?
What if I don't have a soul?
Your heart will suffice.
Okay, I'm gonna leave now. All right, so the characters are out in full action, which is looking good. So far so good. Only 1 maze to go through, but we'll get some characters.
Will you dance with me? Dance with me!
Oh, and she's jingling too. Oh, there's that. Oh, there it is again. All right, folks, let's head over towards the Witch in the Woods, and then we'll get a little snack to eat. All right, folks, and again, coming through Italy, we got the statue scarers, and this one with the blindfold over eyeballs. See? You don't know if they're gonna get you or not. Oh, here comes Medusa again. She was here last year. There she is again.
Look into my eyes.
That's creepy. Who is it? All right, folks. So at least they got the scarers out, so we can see their costumes. So that's good. They got the music going. They got the decorations out. They also have the shows too, the Skeletons, and a couple other shows too. folks, and take a look at this. The bridge from Italy to Oktoberfest. They got one half open. Look at that. Doesn't that look nice? They got their nice little wall up. So at least they got half of it. It looks nice. They're getting there. The other half's on its way. So yeah, there you go. The bridge is getting completed. Uh-oh, folks, look what we have up here. We got the chainsaws. No, this is the creepy part. If I don't look, you won't see me. Uh-oh. So we got the chainsaws out again. Oh, this guy's ready to pounce. This guy's ready to pounce, folks. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, folks. Here's the guy from last year. I think if we hide behind the pumpkin, he's not going to get us. We got to stay really quiet. Okay, don't move. If you don't move, he won't see you. Uh-oh, there's more. Alright, folks, the characters are out. Let's head to Witch in the Woods. Let's take a peek at that. Alright. Witch in the Woods is this way. We got some characters over here. Uh-oh. Yeah. Alright, let's go check this out. Uh-oh, he's hiding over here. See if we can scare him. Oh no! Oh, it's not. We got a scary Mario and Luigi. Uh-oh, I don't like that one.
Not by the hand, I'm shooting kids.
All right, folks. So you're gonna have Nevermore, but we're going to Witch in the Woods. If I can get on my camera, everybody will believe me. Oh, she's a nice one. Okay, they're either statues or they're gonna jump out.
Hi.
Yep, they're jumpy. Oh man. Oh man, this is how scary it is. There's police cars, ambulances. They were doing good this year. They must have really scared somebody.
You might want to watch out for that.
Yeah. And that. And I don't know what's going on back there, folks. Somebody must have got scared to death. Here comes another creepazoid. Oh man, he's twitching. He's twitching. I will. Yep, they got lots of characters today. Uh-oh. Once again, they're crouching. Oh man, they're all over. I think they actually scared somebody to death over there. See? Good thing the ambulance is there just in case. Actually, I take that back. It is in the same place over here. They just took us a different way. They took us a different way. Look at, they're all over the place. They're coming under me.
He leapt upon the body of the girl.
There they are. Another one.
He did not release his grasp until she had expired.
Uh-oh, what's over here, folks? Uh-oh, they're trying to get out.
Are you good at running?
I'm just gonna walk slowly.
Can you run?
Yeah?
Because I'm really good at catching, so do you
There's another one.
Closer! I don't bite! I peck!
He pecks. Uh-oh. This one looks innocent, but I don't think so. Here's another one, folks. Okay.
Watch out!
They got them all over this time. And actually, look at they got the quick queue and the general admission pass on here, so you can see where you're going when you get here. Oh, folks, now it's getting creepy. He pinned this guy to a tree.
Oh, you would make a fine grave. For my shovel!
Oh! Let's get out of here. Man, where are we? Yeah, we are going to Witch in the Woods. We're just way back a roundabout way, folks. All right, folks, here we go. It's already creepy. Now, like I said, okay. Okay, this is even creepier because you don't know when they're gonna jump out at you. I don't know where they're at. Okay, okay. I'm a little scared. They got the music loud. Things are gonna jump out. I can feel it. Something's gonna happen. Something's gonna happen. Something's gonna happen, folks. I can feel it. They're gonna jump out and they're smoking some kind of meat, and I don't think it's animal.
What are you staring at? You see what the witch did?
Oh, there's an arm, a hand. I don't think they're smoking animal meat, folks.
Lady, follow me! The witch is right there!
Uh-oh, we got a big fog bank. Oh, man. Okay, this is not good. I can't see where I'm going.
Behold the witch!
If I go slow enough. Oh, I knew this wasn't animal meat.
Why are you here? You must go! Don't you know you will burn? All of you!
I was hungry.
You will burn! You will burn!
Oh, that's gross.
You will burn! You must go! Do you want to burn? Why? Go! 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 You must go! You must go! Out! 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 Out!
Uh-oh. It looks like we got a corpse here, folks. Whew. Okay, folks, way better. Now, that was during the day. As you see, it's still light out, but I think it's going to be way better at night. It's scarier. There's lots of jump scares in there, as you can see. Now, I'm not going to, like I said, I'm going to show you little glimpses of it, but if they're going to be like this, then they're all going to be some good ones this year. If there's somebody coming over here, watch out. Okay, whew, they went that way. So anyway, folks, it's gonna be better. Way better this year. Don't feed the animals.
You want to play tag?
Uh-oh.
Come on, you wouldn't play last time.
I'm hungry!
Let's run, folks.
You don't want to play? Why don't you want to play tag with me?
I'm scared.
You're scared?
Yeah.
Why are you scared of me?
I'm scared. Oh, here's more.
Going.
Nowhere in particular.
You don't want to stay?
Firstly, I dismembered the body. I removed the arms and the legs.
Oh. Let's walk back through the scariness, folks. There he is again. More knives. Oh, this creepy man. Yeah, with in the pumpkin. Uh-oh.
No, don't like
He's
that.
looking at me very
I
funny
like
with the
some.
knives.
Care to add yours to my collection?
Ooh. They even got a DJ going. And then they come over here. Do a sneak attack on him. Watch it. Uh-oh. Alright folks, I'm just grabbing some hydration, something to munch on, and I signing off. So that's just a shorter video of what's going to happen at Howl-O-Scream this year. So hopefully they keep lots of characters out. Like I said, Witch in the Woods was good. A little bit spookier than last year. Lots of jump scares, so hopefully they're all like that. But anyway, come on out. Howl-O-Scream starts tomorrow, September 8th. See you there.